What a lovely comment. I agree. Choose the provider one. The more he spend money to you, the more he value you. And I really appreciate this because this comment was an answer or reply to my video about I would never allow my daughter to date a guy who can never pay for a meal. And this is so true because when you're a woman and you're looking for a man, you would really consider someone who can actually provide something to you. In that case, when you're married, you don't really have to be forced to go to work in order to provide for the family. In other words po, ngayon sa panahon natin, marami na namang mga lalaki na matitino naman, na maayos ang trabaho. So, bago ka makipag-date sa isang lalaki, dapat you already know na talagang maayos siyang mag-provide sa iyo at sa inyo, lalo na kapag may mga anak kayo, kaya hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho. Kasi ngayon, talagang sa totoo lang, marami nang nasisira mga pamilya o di kaya mga bata na wala nang maayos na value or core value kasi hindi na lumalaki kasama ang nanay at ang tatay since kailangan magtrabaho ng nanay. And ako, I'm very traditional. It is really correct to have the mother take care or nurture her children. Pinaka-minimum niyan hanggang 6 years old kasi at 6, pwede na namang mag-aral sa kindergarten ang bata. But ngayon, talagang nahihirapan ng mga nanay na sila mismo mag-aalaga ng anak nila kasi kailangan lang magtrabaho since hindi kaya ng asawa nila. Kaya ngayon, dapat date smart na tayo mga babae. Kasi if we just want to eat out or party, we can provide that to ourselves since most of the women right now are career women. 'Di ba? Kaya natin. So kung magdi-date ka man lang, dapat kaya din yang i-provide yung kailangan mo. In that case, you will know na may future kayo. Kasi kung pipiliin mo lang lalaki na wala din maibibigay sa'yo, bakit ka pa magdi-date? Sakit lang yan sa ulo.